What's up, my fellow learning heroes? We're going to talk today about the division algorithm. Now, what is a division algorithm? Division algorithm is a way to take a big number and divide it by a smaller number. And using the division algorithm, we can do it step by step rather than having to do it all in our head at once. All right, and so we're dividing a 3-digit number, which means it has a 100s place, a 10s place, and a 1s place. Right, and as we do the division algorithm, we're going to uncover what number goes in the 100s place, what number goes in the 10s place, and what number goes in the 1s place. So the 3 steps are divide, multiply, subtract. And we're just going to do that over and over again. Divide, multiply, subtract, until we have the whole thing divided. Alright, so the first step is divide, and you take this number, and you're going to see how many times it goes into this number. So you're doing this divided by this. 2 divided by 2 is 1, of course. So next, the next step is multiply, and we're multiplying our new number that we get by the number that we're dividing by. So the new number by the number we divide by. 1 times 2 is 2, and we put that number right below it. Third step is subtract. 2 divided by 2 is 0. Now we're just going to repeat these steps now, but before we repeat, one important thing is we need to get the next number involved. So the next number is the 10s place, which is a 1, and we bring that down right here. Alright, so now the next number that is up isn't this one, it's this one right here. A 0 then a 1 is just a 1. Right? So 1 divided by 2. We're starting over again, doing divide. 1 divided by 2 obviously is going to be less than 1, right? Because 2 doesn't go into 1, it's too small. 1 is too small, 2 is too big. Alright, so that leaves us with a 0 in the 10s place. Next we multiply. We multiply the newest number, which is 0, times this number. So 0 times 2 is 0. We put this number right below the 1, and we subtract. 1 minus 0 is just 1. Right, so we're going to repeat again the steps: divide, multiply, subtract. But before we do, we need to bring this number down. Put that right here. So now we have the number 12. Okay, it's the 1 from the 10s place and the 2 from the 1s place. So we divide. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then we multiply 6 times 2. And it looks like we got our answer, but we're going to complete the steps anyways. Divide, multiply, we just did. Then subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. And when you get a 0 here, that means that you can divide this number by this number and get a whole number. Right? There's no fractions or remainders, decimals, or anything like that. No funny stuff, just a perfect division. So let's go on to the next example. Start with divide. 7 goes into 7 how many times? 1 time. Then we go to multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Then subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. We're going to bring down the 3. So it gives us a 3 right here. Now we repeat back to the divide. We divide, multiply, subtract. 3 divided by 7 doesn't work. 7's too big, it doesn't go into 3. So the next number would be 0. Then multiply. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. We're going to bring down this 3. So now you have a 33. and we're going to divide. 33 divided by 7. Let's think about it. 7, 14, 21, 28. We can't get to 35, so that's 4. So it looks like we have our answer, 1 or 4. But let's complete the multiply and subtract steps just to make sure we get a 0 at the end. 4 times 7 is 28. Let's multiply. Subtract 33 minus 28 is 5. Alright, so we don't get a 0 at the end, which means that 7 does not go into 733 a whole number of times. Right? There is a remainder. And you could write, some people write this remainder as a R5 at the end, or you could write this as 104 and 5/7. Okay, but that's our answer, and good luck on the division algorithm.